At the face components of a Speed Queen STT30N dryer. Rim gasket is this one here. All you do is pull it off and stretch a new one on over the door. We have the door glass, the handle, the glass gasket, the control trim for the left and the right. We have the decal for the center and then the number for the entire plastic piece. We have the lint tray decal, the lock and key, the entire drawer in case you break the ring for the lock or the door handle. And then for the control overlays, there's two here. There's without the IR, that means there'll be no window here. It would be like this one, where it would be just black next to this button. And then the ones with the IR, they have a window here. As you can see, there'll be a window on that one. You have the black kick plates, you have to drill out the rivets, and the decal for the lower lint drawer.